Yosef HaTzadik was punished for asking the Sarah Mashkin, the person in charge of the king's wine, to remember him and mention him to the king. He was punished and stayed in jail for 2 more years. And this makes absolutely no sense. How could you be punished for making this minuscule amount of hishtadlut, effort, to make a vessel for your salvation to come? And Rashi himself says earlier that that's why they were sent to prison, was so that they could get Joseph out. So he was only doing his required, sensible hishtadlut, yet he was punished for 2 more years in jail. One answer, according to a more mystical interpretation, is that Yosef HaTzadik was living on a level of existence that we cannot even dream of. There's this world, which is choshech. God is completely invisible. We don't see him, we don't feel him. We have to believe in him. Yosef HaTzadik was living on the level where Yud Kei Vav Kei was revealed for him. He saw God in the world everywhere he turned. So the answer is, according to this, is when you see God right in front of you, doing everything for you, and you put some of your trust in this Egyptian guy, that's an affront to Hashem. Imagine you're in a car, in the passenger seat. Because remember, if you're on Yosef's level, then you know you're in the passenger seat. And there's a driver. Who's the driver? Hashem's the driver. So you know that he's there, driving. You see him driving the car. When you know that Hashem's driving the car and you're going to reach out your hand and quickly try to turn the steering wheel because you think you're going off course, shame on you. So for Yosef HaTzadik to overextend his effort in a minuscule way to the Sarah Mashkin, to this person, in front of Hashem, doing it all for him, he was punished.